Today we discuss about the latest technology called blockchain. Blockchain technology is the structure that stores transactional record, also known as a block of a public in a several database, known as the chain, in a network connected by peer-to-peer nodes. Typically, this stores this referred as a digital ledger. Every transaction is this ledger is authorized by the digital signature of the owners, which is authentication the transactions and safeguard. It forms tamping. Hence, the information of digital ledger contained is highly secure. In simple words, the digital ledger is like the Google spreadsheet shares among numerous computers in a network in which the transactional records are stored based on actual purchase. By facilitating angles in this, anybody can see the data but no can corrupt or change it. Now let's take a short view on why is blockchain so popular. Suppose we are transferring money to your families or friends from your bank account. You will log into a bank login account or transfer the amount of the other person using their account number. When the transaction is done, your bank updates the transaction record. It seems simple enough, right? These types of transaction can be tempered with quick replies. People who are familiar with this truth are often wary of using these types of transactions. Hence, the evolution of third-party payment application is recent years. But this is vulnerabilities is essentially why blockchain technology was created. Technologically, blockchain is a digital ledger that is gained a lot of attention and transaction recent. But why has it become so popular? Well, let's dig into a famous of big chain. Record keeping of data is transaction are called critically part of business. Often this information is handled in-house or passed through the third party like broken bankers or lawyers, increasing time cost both for business and for persons. Fortunately, blockchain avoids the process and facilitate the fast movement of transaction, thereby saving both time and money. Now we see that how much blockchain is highly secured. It uses a digital signature features to conduct fraud-free transaction, making it impossible to corrupt or change the data of an individual by the other users without a specific digital signature. Decentralized system. Conveniently, you need the approval of a regulatory authorities like government or the bank for transaction. However, the blockchain transactions are done with a manual customers of the users, resulting in smooth, safer, and faster transaction. Automation capability. It is a programmable and can generate systematically actions, even the payment automatically when the critical of the targeted customer meet. Basically, blockchain is the combination of three leading technologies: cryptographic key, a peer-to-peer network containing a shared ledger, a mean of computing to store the transaction and record of network. Cryptography key consists of two keys, private key and public key. These keys help in transferring successful transaction between two parties. Each individual has these two keys, which are used to produce a secure digital identity reference. This secure digital identity reference is most important aspects of blockchain technology. In the other world, the, the cryptocurrency is this identity is refers to as a digital signature and is used to authorize the controlling transactions. The process of blockchain transaction is in three steps: hash encryption, proof of works, and mining. Thank you.